After 1587, go around, please. After 1587, go around. 90 Alpha Alpha, maintain 3000, stay with me for now, fly heading 620.
We just had a mid-air, we can't do that.
You said what?
Yeah, somebody just, you guys cleared somebody to take off or land and we hit them on a departure.
Yes, sir, you need to come back to the airport, you said, right?
Yeah, immediately.
90 Alpha Alpha, turn right heading 310.
Right turn 310, Romeo, Alpha Alpha.
Southwest 2214, cancel landing clearance and climb maintain 3000, fly runway heading.
I need you to go to the aircraft. It's at the taxiway Lima November intersection. He just got clipped by the other aircraft. I need you to go inspect that aircraft now. Over 510 Hotel Mike, copy tower, hold your position.
Please land on 1 blue, right?
Alpha, yes, sir. The 1684 expedite, climb maintain 3000, please. For 1644, climb maintain 3000.
No aircraft going anywhere. All aircraft hold the position. No aircraft going anywhere. Stand by.
90 Alpha Alpha, you clear landing and 1 right.
Clear to land 1 blue, right, Alpha Alpha.
Hey, we need somebody back at the Kilo intersection now, because we have a second aircraft involved in the incident. Getting lanes to land on landing 13 right at this time. One vehicle with the aircraft that just went into Wilson Air, I need another vehicle back over here to Kilo for the second aircraft involved.
Southwest 2214, turn right heading 270.
Right turn heading 270, Southwest 2214.
2214, contact Houston departure 123.8, heading 270.
Heading 270 over to 238, Southwest 2214.
Do it now. The aircraft is short final. Proceed Juliet Kilo now. That's fire service. Aircraft landing right now. The aircraft landing right now is the second emergency aircraft. We still have the third one airborne. Inbound. RT6, permission to follow the aircraft. AR21, follow that aircraft. 69 Alpha, stand by until the fire department says your fire is safe. They need to take a look at the aircraft real fast. As soon as they call you fire safe, we get you back over the signature.
Everybody, home short of runway 22. It'll be a couple moments. We're going to do our runway inspection and check for debris. We'll get you guys out of here as soon as possible. Just stand by, please.
Okay, roger that. November 269 Alpha Alpha, taxi via November, Lima, Juliet, Kilo, hold short 13 right.
Happy Tower, how's that plane stop right now, please? The plane that's taxiing down Kilo needs to stop.
Okay, November 269 Alpha Alpha, the ops vehicles actually need you to hold your position again. And go ahead and hold your position right there.
Ground Center 2476, 41 Echo, push.
2476, call me back in about 10 minutes, sir. We are not moving any aircraft this time. We had a incident here midfield. The runways are unusable.
Okay, we'll give you an hour back.